All right, we're back out at the farm. Hear a few nature sounds going on. Show y'all some of the progress. So we tore the old porch off. So repurposing all that 2x6 is what was taken out. Those were the framing for the drop ceilings that were in the house. So these are 2x6s from the 60s, repurposed into our deck. And then the new top is going to be repurposed. So the wood that came out of the front right bedroom was actually 1 1/4 inches thick. So we're going to use that for the new front porch floorboards. So, you know, kind of excited about starting to put some things back. Here to see what's happened with the foundation. They came out a few days early and started doing some prep work, and I have not been here to see any of it. So you're seeing it same time I am. So okay, cool. So they dug for the footers. All right. So this will be the outer wall. So this space in here will be the addition. Now there was, if you've seen the earlier videos, there was a structure here. It was the original, and I talked to, like I said, same guy. So it was the side screen porch that they closed in. So we'd torn that off. So, and we're coming out 2 feet more than what it was. Okay. Pretty interesting. I graded this out some, so that's nice because it's going to be a patio out here. And then there's the well. There's the chickens that James's brother Tater brought out. So this gets a mechanical room built, ground level. So this is the water heater and sub panel and the Craftsman lighting panel. So this is one of the windows. We were playing around with different ways to frame it out, but that's the new windows. So there you go. Gentleman windows. It opens really well. So wood clad. Hope everybody has a really good day.